Hey, don't screw. You won't believe what I just discovered. A website where you can actually find all the free schools in the US all in one place. And the good thing about this website is that you can actually set the settings based on your preferences. So as long as you have a phone, laptop, or whatever gadget you have no excuse than to apply. So guys, if you are looking for funding to study mostly in the USA for free, then this video is actually made for you. If this sounds interesting, sit back, relax as I walk you through the process. And if you are watching this video late, it is probably because your post notification bell has been tampered with. Please kindly switch it on so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video, because you do not want to be watching my video when the opportunity is already closed, as most of the opportunities shared on this channel are really time sensitive. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for stopping by. I can't love you legs. And if you have not yet subscribed, kindly hit on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because a lot of energy, resources, and time has been put into the making of this video. And also, it will also motivate me to do more. If you have done that, thanks. Please drop all your questions in the comment section. Let's go right in as I show you. Oshe. So guys, what you can see on my screen is EducationUSA. This is the site, the official website for all educational courses, universities, funding, everything you can think about in the US. So it's called educationusa.state.gov. So what you can do, you can see United States Department of State, COVID-19, ECA, alumni, American English, Education USA, exchange, J1 visa, study abroad. So any of these you can check later. I will leave the link in the description box of this video. So you can see it says the experience of studying in the USA. It says your steps to US study, find an event, find an advising center. You can also search here, okay? Now, if you come down, you can see it says US education is your gateway. Study with us. You can see it, be inspired, and the rest of it. Now, look at the most interesting part that really caught my attention. It says for international students. Let me zoom in to see for international students. So you click on it. So when you click on it, you see it says take the first step, start your journey now. So if you look at the steps, it says research your options. That means you should look for the school that you want to study and the courses. It says need funding. If you need funding, this is where you will click. You click number 2. Complete your application. You read about how to complete your application, document requirements, and how to apply. Apply for your visa. This is where you click number 4. To apply for your visa and prepare for your departure. This is where you also click. So it's like 5 steps for you to get your visa, your relocation dream to the USA accomplished. Okay, so now we are interested in funding because most of us, we don't have the capacity to fund ourselves. So click on number 2 to get the financial aid that you want. When you click on number 2, you will see it says finance your studies. As you can see, we have number 2. We are on the number 2 process. Now look at this. It says community college. If you need funding for colleges, you click on college. If you need funding for undergraduate, you click on undergraduate. Graduate, you click. When you talk about graduate, we are talking about masters and PhD. Okay, short-term program, English language, online. It says looking for special opportunities. You can read this. Now let's assume you that is watching me, you are a graduate and you want to go for a master's. You click on graduate. If you are a secondary school holder, you click on undergraduate. If you want to further your secondary school abroad, higher education, you click here. That's like a vocational. Now look at this. Click on graduate. Let's assume you are a graduate now, but click the one that suits you. Okay. Now when you come down, you see it says access personal funds. All right. Now just go down. Keep scrolling. You see some important links. General funding resources. This is where you get your funding from. Where you can get funding from, you see education US special opportunities and financial aid, IIE funding for US study online, international scholarship. This is the 3rd bullet point, is where we're interested in. Scholarship, help, international education, financial aid. You see this. These are the 3 that you are going. This is the 2nd one you are going to focus on. And you see this last one, it says guaranteed scholarship. So guys, let's look at the first one. Let me show you what to do. So when you come to this site, you see scholarships and loans. And where are you? You click, you look for this course that you're looking for. Let's assume you have not seen all the courses you can think of. You see accounting, agriculture, applied science, architecture, chemistry, communication, name it, computer animation, construction trades, name it, fashion, finance. I'm just taking graphic design, health profession. You can get your funding from here. You don't need to cry anymore. Nursing, you can get funding from here. Physics, so you can click the one you want. Let's assume I'm going for let's say engineering. Now, where are you? So you are going to put the country where you are right now. As you can see, let's put it out. It says, where are you studying? So now USA, you put USA. Where do you want to study? USA. This video, I'm focusing on USA. Are you seeing it? This is where you get funding for any country of your choice. You come here, and the question they're asking you here, if you look at it, where are you from? At the top, you see, where are you from? So we are going to look for where you are from. I'm a proud Nigerian. I'll look for Nigeria, go to letter N, and I'll put it there. It's straightforward. Look at beautiful Nigeria. So what you do now is to search. But before then, you can use this option, loans. If you need loans and you pay later, I will not advise you to look for loans, because loan is something that would give you a drawback after graduation. Okay, now come back here and you see search button, reset. If you don't like what you just set, you can click on reset button to cancel everything and clear them away. Okay, click on search. When you click on search, the next thing you will see is a list of schools that is going to offer you scholarship. Guys, is this not beautiful? It's so beautiful. So what are you waiting for? That's the question I keep asking you. You don't have money, you don't have time to read, you don't have time to do research. Who are you waiting to help you? Heaven help those who help themselves. Guys, let's see. Now, you see, what are you seeing, guys? You see 6 to 5 items. Are you seeing it? 6 to 5 items. Look at the description. Things that you can use to get funding and the amount. Some of them can cover everything, full funding. Some of them can be partial, but it does not matter, provided you read and look for the one that suits you. Okay, now if you look at this carefully, empower women, STEM scholarship, you can click the one that you want to see. You have Astinga Africa Initiatives, study bachelor's in the US scholarship, review each scholarship, every equipment parts express scholarship. So let me go for one. In no particular order, let me just look for one. And look at this. It says multi scholarship for international students. Empower is awarding $48,000 this year to help 36 international students, and you too can be lucky to be one of them. So what you can do, if you are interested, you click on this and read the description. It says monthly scholarship for international students. Empower is awarding $48,000. So every month they give out $48,000 for 36 international students every month. And to register, you can click here to register. Let's go to the second link. Now we've done this. You go to this other one that says International Education Financial Aid. You put it in a new tab. All right. When you put it in a new tab, you see what we're having. It says resources blog about contact loans scholarship. So try and register. EFA is the name. EFA.org is the name of the site. EFA.org. Register so that you have first-hand knowledge about how to go about it, because we cannot actually complete the process right now as we speak. And don't forget, guys, if you don't register, you cannot get alert on your email. Now you click on scholarship. You don't want loan, click on scholarship. Now you see this is quick scholarship search. So when you come here, you put the name of the award you're looking for. If you know it, where are you studying? So you look for the course that you want to study. If it's fashion, where are you studying? Which country? USA. Where are you studying? USA. Where are you from? Nigeria. All right, now we are almost there, done. We have one more to go. Then after that, you search. It's just like the other site that we looked at. So you see the awards, all of them will show up. You see it, awards. This is the award names. Let's look at one of them and we'll go to the last site. So let's click this one, write an excellent essay about substance abuse. So you click this one and see if you can qualify for this award. Submission deadline is 5th. So about the award, you read the description. We're asking participants in our essay contest to write about how social networks affect substance abuse among teenagers. So if you are good at writing essays, you can, apply for this. And you see the article should be between 800 to 1,000 words. Now, this is the contact information. You register. Are you seeing it? You register, and when you register, you cannot log in. Is the last one which says guaranteed scholarship. When you say something is guaranteed, it means whether you apply or not, it is going to be given to you free of charge. So what am I saying? Let's go check it out. So what you do, you click on this link. As you can see, it says guaranteed scholarships. So scholarships, grants, and financial aid are available to students in many forms. These scholarships listed on the page are all guaranteed. They even put it on red so that you could see it clearly that it's guaranteed. So these are these colleges, and this is Albright College. Check the information. You see the breakdown. So you see the Alfred State College, you see the Excellence in Education Scholarship, Presidential Scholarship, or American Scholarship. So this one requires exam. So look for the one that does not require your score, SAS and the TOEFL score, and maybe IELTS. So just take your time, guys. Nothing in this life is easy. You have to take your time. So it says Acadia University, Pennsylvania, Arizona State University. You see finalists who designate ASU as first choice school. So guys, what you need to do now is for you to first of all secure yourself a school. Apply. There are a list of schools I'll leave in the description box of this video that you can apply without application fee. We'll leave 50 schools that you can try to apply. You can also apply to these schools. Look at the school name. You see them. You see them. These are all schools with guaranteed scholarship. You see them. Funding available. But first of all, look at the criteria. They need SAT and ART. So don't go for this one that needs SAT and ART. Are you getting me? Let's go for the ones. Look at this one. It does not need SAT and ART. Let's see if it require a grant for all admitted students with GPA of 3.2 and ACT of 21 and above. So if you can afford to do the exam, fine. If you cannot, leave it. Baylor College, you can see this is 4,000 annual renewable award. This award is renewable every time, every semester. Are you seeing it? And you must put them as your first choice. So why not click this if you are interested? This one says barriers. You look at Barrier College. Now, if you're interested in this, you can copy the name and go to Google and just type google.com. Now, when you get there, you paste the name that you copied and look at, you have Google search and I'm feeling lucky. Make sure you click on I'm feeling lucky. It takes you straight to the site. Are you getting it, guys? Give this video a thumbs up to motivate me to do more. Now, what are you waiting for? Now, if you look down, you see no tuition, no kidding. You see it. You don't have to pay anything. All you just need to do is to go and check admission aids, apply, campus visit, and virtual financial aid done right. So all you need to do, click those two options and see how you can gain the financial aid. So for us to check it, you click on financial aid and you have got you covered. We cover the whole cost, the whole you, so you don't have to pay a dime. You can read this. It's a no tuition promise into an inclusive all you. So no tuition fee. What you need to do, it says all costs covered, all 4 years. Time will not permit me to go into details, but you can catch me on our live stream on Teach Clockwise Official. Please don't forget, it is very important that you begin to see the future, because you can't see the future that you don't picture. So guys, I will see you on the next one. Please, yes, subscribe. See you. Bye.